everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm actually in Newcastle and this community is called Olympus, one of the most popular communities in Newcastle. This location is unbeatable. We are only 5 to 10 minutes to Bellevue and I-90 and 405. So great commute to both Seattle and Bellevue downtown. And this community has a lot of mature landscaping and beautiful homes. And this home that I'm going to show you today is actually a fully renovated Rambler, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, and the square footage inside is over 2,000 square feet, and the lot size is over 13,000 square feet. The inside is modern and luxurious. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this completely renovated Rambler in Newcastle. So when you come through this French front door, you actually have this space where you can hang your coat, you can put your shoes away. And then here is a huge living room. Because it actually has a vaulted ceiling, big windows on the side, and you can enjoy the view of Olympus, this whole community. Really a lot of serene, a lot of trees. Of course, the client did a lot of renovation, putting in new paint and newer flooring, and now the house looks so modern. And coming through here, this is their formal dining room. Same vaulted ceiling with a chandelier in the center, and then big windows on the side. Of course, you can enjoy the natural light all day long. And then you can easily fit like 8 to 10 seats, long table. This is a great place for family get-togethers. And here is their completely renovated kitchen. So when they first bought the home, they're all like older cabinets, laminate countertop. So that now they put in completely new cabinet with a gray color and then combined with a white countertop. So that everything looks so contemporary. Of course, they replaced all the appliances as well. And of course, they put in really good brand like Bosch. So very functional and practical as well. Because they love cooking, there was a downdraft before, but that's not really enough for all the cooking that they need. So they put in this new French hood. Now it's actually a chef's kitchen. And then on the other side of the kitchen, here is their family room. This is a great place for a bonus room, game room, or you can put in screens, projectors. This will be a media room as well. And then, of course, if you like fireplace, this fireplace is actually connected to the other side that in the living room. So in winter, you can actually light this up, really warm and cozy. Because it's a Rambler, it's a very easy floor plan. So you have all the living room, family room, kitchen on one side, and then on this side, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's check out the primary first. The primary bedroom is huge. You can easily fit in a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and you have a lot of space in this corner where you can put your couch or like cabinets, like how we staged it right now. And all the windows here are almost brand new. It's cozy and very practical. Here is their bathroom, primary bathroom. They actually have this skylight right there, so it's so bright we didn't even need to turn on any lights. They actually put in the tiles and new vanity and has the mirrors and lights that actually is consistent with the modern style. Here is a massage tub, and then they have all the tiles around it, so very easy to maintain. You have all the pieces in this bathroom plus a walk-in closet. So on this side, there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Let's check out the corner bedroom. So here is actually a pretty spacious bedroom. You can easily fit in the king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and they have a closet on the side. What I really like about this room is they have big windows on both sides, so great natural light. And of course, you can enjoy the privacy and the serene looking of this community. So the other selling point of this home is actually the lot size is huge. It's 0.31 acre, almost 13,000 square feet. So the backyard behind me actually is very level, functional. So they have those trees on the border, great privacy, and there's a water fountain right here. So in summer, you can actually sit here, enjoy the sound of water. And here on the other side, they have all the leveled ground. You can add your fire pit or you can do a barbecue party right here. And then there's more space on that direction. So basically you can put your RV, your boat right there, and it's very easy access from the community road. So after going through this house, I really like the floor plan of Ramblers because there's no stairs. Every room looks huge. And this house is actually fully renovated, so move-in ready condition. And I really enjoy the backyard, the water fountain, and if you have RV or boat, this is the home for you. The home is on the market. We actually sit in Olympus, one of the best communities in Newcastle. If you're interested in this home or Olympus community, come and join us during the open houses. I'm Maggie. I'll see you in the next video.